Hello, it's CraftyRia, and welcome to another video. If you're new here, welcome. I'm glad you found me. And if you're returning, welcome back. I'm glad you're back. If you haven't yet clicked the subscribe button, I would love it if you did. And then while you're right there, please click on that bell so you're notified anytime I upload a new video. Today's video will be Happy Mail. I went to the post office box today and it was just stuffed full of Happy Mail. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. Most of it is from the group that I'm in, Creativity, Swaps, Happy Mail, and Friendship. It's a fun group of ladies. We do a lot of swaps, or they call them tags, where we send different things to each other. And then there are also wishes that we grant. It's a great group. I'll put the link below. And then two of them might not be from that group. I'm not sure. Okay, so this is the first one, and this is from Valerie. And she is in that group. And let me figure out how to open it. I didn't open any of it yet. And we always put a little tag in there saying what it is. And these are wishes from my wishes from August 12th. And of course there's a peacock. I love peacocks. And some bling. Of course I love bling. And a sample of washi tape. This is really pretty washi tape. And then this is, oh, I think it's glitter paper. Yes, that is beautiful. Look at that red glittery. It's in a plastic protective sleeve, but that will be perfect for Christmas cards. Thank you so much, Valerie. I love it. I want to try to keep everything together because we always take pictures of it and post it on the group and thank the person who sent it. So I try to keep it all together. And this is from Gwen. She is also in the group. I love all these homemade envelopes. They're so cool. And this is, I just want to make sure I got everything out of the envelope. This is a 6x6 paper, 10 different styles. It's one of the tags we had. And I love paper of all kinds. These cats are adorable. And there's mice on there too. That is so cool. And what's nice about this paper is it's nice and thin, so it will be good for cards. It won't add a lot of weight. And also if you wanted to do origami or something with it, it would fold quite nicely. And then this is thicker. It's like cardstock. Just checking to see if they're marked on the back or if they're double-sided. That's what I really meant. Like that one is double-sided. Look at those sailboats. It's so pretty. Or parasols or whatever they are. This one's nautical. We do a lot of cruises. Well, when you could go cruising, you can't anymore. But I love the nautical theme too. And that is so pretty for fall. All right. Thank you so much, Gwen. These are gorgeous and they will definitely come in handy and you may see them on an upcoming video. And here's one with a peacock label. I love peacocks. This is from Jennifer. She is also in the group. This might be several things. Oh no, this is the 3 handmade Christmas cards tag. Look at that. Ooh, so pretty. All that bling. Love it. And look at what she did on the inside. Does that look familiar? Yeah, that's awesome. Love it. Oh, that's so pretty. Joy to the world. They look like they're hand painted. I wonder if that's a recycled card or if she hand painted it. If you're watching, let me know. That's really pretty. And this one says peace, and it is super glittery. I don't think the camera shows it as much, but in person it is super duper glittery. Very, very cool. Thank you so much. And there is a letter. Enclosed are your 3 handmade Christmas cards. What beautiful writing. Sorry I overlooked them. Mine aren't near as beautiful as the ones you create. Of course they are. Don't ever say that. They are gorgeous. But I hope you enjoy them. And of course I do. Love it. And look at that paper. That's so pretty. Thank you so much, Jennifer. I love them. They are beautiful. Don't ever say that. Love them. Let me see if I can get them at least back in here. This was a, this envelope was a calendar. Very cool. And here's a very little envelope from Shayna or Shanna. If I can get my thing in there. There we go. And she is also in the group. This is a wish from the group, and I did wish for some of these, and they're peacocks. I love it. Like I said, we put these in all of the things we send, and they are peacocks. They're going in everything I send until I run out. They're the next one I'm using. Love it. Thank you so much. Love, 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 love the peacocks. In case you haven't noticed, I love peacocks. That's one of my favorite animals or birds of all times. I have 2 envelopes from Michael. She is also in the group. If I can get this out. I'm going to have to go down the side of the envelope. This is really cool paper. Look at that, the paper. That is gorgeous. I wonder if that's hand stamped. I love it. It must be because it lines up where the pages are folded. I like that. That's a great idea. Let's see if I can get this out. There. You make it too hard for me, Michael. This is Wishes combined, number 4 and number 8. And that's a little pretty piece of paper. All right, look at this glittery ribbon. Or no, this must be, I wonder if this is self-adhesive. I don't know, but I love it. Of course, I love it. I'll have to figure it out. And then, oh, this must be washi tape. I love glitter and I love washi tape. So we have those, and that is just, I love that big, thick green. Love it. Thank you so much. Those will definitely be on some Christmas cards. But I didn't think you had any doubt. And this big, beautiful purple envelope, which I love. I'm going to open the bottom of this one. I'm an old lady over here. It's hard for me to do this. Okay. And this one is pick 2. Yeah, there was a swap where there was like a list of things that you could pick 2 things from. And one of them must have been stationery, which is very cool because you can always use stationery to add a note. And those are beautiful papers. Very, very pretty. And the other one is washi, which I can never get enough of. I love washi tape samples. And I mailed your pick 2 today, Michael. We ended up swapping with each other. It's just how it worked out. And yours went out in the mail. I dropped it off at the post office while I was picking these up. And this one is from Tracy in Canada. I'm going to have to see. Oh, she is in the group. Tracy, this is Washi Tape samples, and this was one of my wishes. That's right. I remember now. And she sent a ton. The purple. We usually put them on playing cards because they won't stick. And they're easy to come off. Look at this one with the lipsticks, the makeup, the butterflies. Very cool. And this one is just packed full of stuff. Very, very, very cool. Thank you so much, Tracy. Love it, love it, love it. And then my other international one, the last one, this is from Janet in Ireland. I started opening it and I realized I showed her address, so I cut that part out. So I didn't want her address to show on camera. So here is what she sent. I haven't opened it yet. I just started cutting it open. Janet is a viewer and she's also a member of the group. And she sent me a letter. Beautiful writing. Oh my goodness. I love, love, love your writing, Janet. Please find enclosed a few Christmas cards from my stash. I have had these cards forever and would love to see what you could create with them. I hope you enjoy my gift of Happy Mail, as I just absolutely love your creations. Oh, that's so sweet. Now, until the next time, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye. You make me laugh. Stay safe, and much love and best wishes from Belfast, Ireland. Janet. Oh, Janet, your writing. Look at her writing. So beautiful. Oh, I just want to frame that because it's such beautiful writing. Thank you, Janet. And of course, you will see these on an upcoming video. And you know what's funny? I started saying, now go get crafting, a couple of times, and then so many people say it back to me that it's kind of become a thing. I kind of like it. It's kind of neat. But these are so pretty. Look at these colors, these pinks and purples. More pinks and purples. And these are blank on the inside, so all I really have to do is doll up the front. I don't have to cut them apart. They might not all be blank on the inside, but they might be. That one is so pretty. So I might do a little bit of each. Oh, look at that doggy. No, maybe that's not a dog. Is that a raccoon? What is that, you guys? I thought it was a dog at first because I was only halfway looking at it. I don't know what it is, but it is very cute. There he is again. So cute. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. That is adorable. And they say have fun on the inside. Those are so cute. Oh, look at those, the three kings. Oh, the polar bear, so pretty. And then there's that guy again. Let me see if it says anything on the back. There's the back. Oh, look at the bird. Oh, it's so cool. And look at that. It's got a lot of red foil on there. Okay, I got to go a little faster. You'll be here all night. Very cool. So cute. I love these. And the little bears. And the dog and the cat. Love it. Oh, look how pretty. Oh, wow. Now, some of these do have writing on the inside. Love it. So those I will definitely have to take apart, but that's okay. That one is so gorgeous. Love it. This one is 3D. The Santa and the reindeer are popped up already on some pop dots, so that will be fun to use. And this one has some gold twine on it, or gold, you know, cord. That's what I wanted to say. And then these, look at these Santas. Oh, I love classic Santa. They are so pretty. And this is Fine Teas, Coffee, Foods. Love that. And the bicycle. I love the bicycle. Now, one thing about a square card that I wanted to let everybody know, it does cost extra postage to send it if it's square. So what I always like to do is either put it in a rectangle envelope or make a rectangle card out of something that was square. I very seldom make square cards because they do cost extra postage to mail. But those are so pretty. Oh, look at this. It's a slimline card. Or I guess you could call it a slimline card. That is so cute. And this is probably the right size if you wanted to give someone money. And then we have more of the square. That is so cool. You know, maybe we could do a door card with that. That's cool. These are gorgeous, and they are so thick. This is that same company, Studio 41. They are very, very thick cardstock. I love this one. Imagine bling on all of those houses and around the tree. You know, these would just be pretty just to frame rather than to send to someone. Like, I'm going to have these all over my house and I'm not going to send them to anyone. And that's a mailbox. I think that's a mailbox. It is so glittery and pretty. Love it. And look at this. Oh, that's so gorgeous. It is like a black and white scene, except just the red popping out. Love it. This one's the same way, just red. These are gorgeous. Now, of course, the square cards, you could always hand deliver them. Or like I said, use a rectangle envelope or a just redo the card on a rectangle. If you guys would like me to do a video about shipping, because I know a lot of the people from the group watch my videos and we all send happy mail to each other. If anyone wants me to do a video about the most economical ways to ship, what services I use, tips and tricks just about economical shipping, just let me know. I would be more than happy to do it. And thank you so much, Janet, for this wonderful, very generous package. And I know coming from Ireland, that is not inexpensive to ship either. Thank you so much. I absolutely love it. And I love everything that everyone sent. It is so cool. I love Happy Mail Days. They always make me very happy. And of course, thank you for watching, everyone watching. I appreciate all of you. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please do click that subscribe button. I would love it if you did. And head on over to the Creativity Swaps Happy Mail and Friendship group. And while you're on Facebook, head on over to my Facebook group, Create with CraftyRia. That link is below as well. And I just want to thank you all for watching. I do appreciate all of you. And until the next time, Janet, say it with me, go get crafting. Bye-bye.